Our focus from day one has been to help our partners to succeed. It's our belief that a rising tide rises all ships. Simply put, we're a lender that helps you win. This isn't just rhetoric at A&D Mortgage, it's a part of our plan. It's our core. We are constantly asking ourselves how we can improve the process, results, and overall experience for you, our partners. When challenges emerge in getting deals done, we find solutions. If these solutions do not exist, we create them. One example of this approach is the launch of the first non-QM AUS in the mortgage history. We designed and built this system specifically to help our partners achieve more, and we all have benefited from the results. Our commitment to helping our partners win have been consistent. We understood what you are dealing and struggling with. That's why we have developed AIM, our next-gen partner portal, where all your daily routine operations are in one place and backed by an AI. This is A&D Mortgage's values in action. Another example, we saw that many of our partners wanted and needed a dedicated mortgage CRM to build and manage their business. However, many of them were blocked by high cost for products and wrong fit for mortgage industry. Our solution: build a CRM specifically for our partners and give it to you guys for free. Our strategy is paying off. We see it every day with your growth. Education and customer service are a big part of the reason as well. Hundreds of you attending our free webinars and other training programs every month. Even more of you utilize recorded content and take advantage of many features available. It's exciting for us to see the results of our efforts to generate such a success together. Your comments, feedback, and 4.8 Google rating show us that our approach, building the business, is the right target. Your success and loyalty matters to us. This is why we created the A&D Mortgage Loyalty Program, which now has more than 3,000 members, a system designed to reward your hard work with more than just gifts, but with features to improve and speed up your business. The more you grow with us, the more benefits you receive. Keep an eye for an extra surprises coming in Advantage updates. We are here to make you win. Let's have a strong summer together.